The bandsmen, ladies and gentlemen, please swagatam in honor of our guest of honor and chief guests. There she arrives, looking pristine and beautiful as ever in white. Welcome, ma'am. So nice to have you at the historic Rajasthan Polo Club grounds. As you walk past, steal a look at the tallest polo trophy in the world. The organizers acquainting our lady guest to the trophy, and yes, of course, a picture for posterity with a stellar performer with an outstanding polo trophy. We are all set, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the scoreboard. It says 0, 0, 1 and 7. 1 being the first chukker, 0, 0 being the scores, and 7 minutes is play time. We are about to start the first chukker. The smart bandsman of 13th Battalion, the Grenadiers, is here, resplendent in their regimental attire, bright red. The brass band is ready, ladies and gentlemen, and once the umpires indicate to them, they shall lead the teams for a team introduction. I see most of the members of both the teams in. We await an odd player to come in once we have 4 players on either side. Military tradition where they march up the warriors for the final battle, and this is the inaugural match played between the Jaipur team and the Thunderbolt team. I will quickly introduce the teams to you as they line up, ladies and gentlemen. Samir Suhag. Mr. Samir Suhag has played up to 6 goals. Arjun Award winner, outstanding player for over a decade plus, has played polo for over 3 decades. And lining up at number 3 for the Thunderbolt team is Major Mrityunjay Singh Chauhan. Major Mrityunjay is a cavalry officer. He hails from Jodhpur. You've seen him in action. Tall, lanky, fit player. Man to watch today, ladies and gentlemen. Lining up at number 2 for the Thunderbolt team is Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Singh Chauhan. Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Chauhan, ladies and gentlemen, is a familiar face at Jaipur. He's been part of 4 World Cup teams of India, represented India across the globe, played across the globe, an outstanding soldier and an officer. Did a stint in Siachen Glacier, served across the country, and today representing the Thunderbolt team. Lining up at number 1 from the Army Service Corps for Thunderbolt. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ravinder Mang. Ravinder Mang plays at handicap 1. Great hand-eye coordination. This youngster's outstanding. He is a stylish player, and the 2 umpires, ladies and gentlemen, professional umpires, both from United Kingdom. Let me introduce you to Mr. Jason Dixon. Old hand at Jaipur, has been coming here since the year of the Lord 1997, played up to 6 goals, captain the UK team. Mr. Jason Dixon is a legendary player umpiring today. The second umpire for the day, also from United Kingdom, is Mr. Howard Smith. Mr. Howard Smith has played up to 4 goals, plays for the Guards Polo Club, and it's his first time in India. Welcome, Mr. Howard. I'm sure you'll have a great time. Lining up at number 4 for the Jaipur team, the team captain himself, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for His Highness Maharaja Sawai Padmanabh Singh, captain of the World Cup Indian team, outstanding player. You've seen him in action on the home ground. He is the man to watch. Jersey number 3, currently grey helmet. Lighter helmet, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Lance Watson. Lance Watson flies in all the way from South Africa. A regular member of the Jaipur team, a strong player, phenomenal player. He is also the dependable back of the team. Lining up at number 2 is Dr. Bhavani Singh Kalvi. Bhavani Singh Kalvi needs no introduction. Outstanding player. Played for India across the globe. Bhavani plays for the Sujam Tigers team now. but currently on loan to the Jaipur team, handicapped at +2, and lining up at number 1 for the Jaipur team is Mr. Mirza Mohammad Beg. Welcome, Mr. Beg. The Jaipur Polo Ground is lovely. When I say Jaipur Polo Ground, I mean the Rajasthan Polo Club grounds at Jaipur. The balloons have been left in the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, the Karnivira colors fly high. I will request the media personnel, once you have done with your photographs, please step aside for the throw-in. Please step aside. आप पीछे आ जाइए. मीडिया परिजनों, आप सबसे निवेदन है पीछे आ जाइए, बोर्ड्स के पीछे आइए. Gone into a frenzy. Ball thrown in, quick to get on the ball is Ravinder Mang. Ravinder Mang, but quickly pinched away by His Highness. His Highness on the near side, extremely difficult shot. Nicely executed. Vishal overrides. The ball still there. Mirza Aslam Beg there. Vishal Chauhan picks up the ball. Vishal Chauhan asking his ball to get into position. HH ahead of him. Vishal releases the ball. Lovely pass. Is it forward there to capitalize? No. It is dependable back. Lance Watson takes a cracking backhander. What a beautiful backhander on the near side by Lance Watson. Ball comes to Mr. Vishal Chauhan. Colonel Vishal Chauhan, ladies and gentlemen. Vishal, look at him playing hockey on horseback. Great experience Vishal has. Vishal Chauhan, still possession of the ball. Asks Ravinder to follow him. Ravinder backs him up. Ball pitched away nicely by Savai Padmanabh Singh. He is gotten away with the ball. Who comes to the rescue? As usual, it's Lance Watson. Dependable back for the Jaipur team. Lance Watson asking his players to move up. Ravinder Mang, nice cracking near side backhander. Ravinder gets the better of Lance. What an exciting play there by Ravinder Mang. Ravinder wants to pick it up once again in a jiffy, and it is HH there. HH Jaipur himself goes and rescues his team, picks up the ball. Changing the face of the game right now is His Highness Jaipur. There he is, lovely tonka across the grandstand, ladies and gentlemen. What a lovely pass to Bhavani. Bhavani wants to pick it up on the near side. He sees teammate Lance Watson, leaves the ball for Lance, and it is Lance in attack now. Lance going head for leather. Sameer there trying to stall that effort. Bhavani picks it up, and Jaipur in attack. Jaipur is in attack, ladies and gentlemen. Vishal Chauhan comes and saves the day once again for the Thunderbolts team. The scoreboard leads 1.5 to 0, ladies and gentlemen. No ground goal scored. That's the handicap goal that the Thunderbolts team gets before the start of the game. It is the most fair game on God's earth. That is how a team weaker in handicap is already allotted certain amount of goals depending on the team handicap, and put on the scoreboard. It's Savai Padmanabh Singh in attack. Look at him go. Hell for that goal, and he scores! Padmanabh Singh going hell for leather for the second goal. He makes no mistakes. Look at him, confident and cool. तेज खेल आइस हॉकी के पश्चात फील्ड पोलो दुनिया का सबसे तेज खेल, और हमें अंदाजा लग गया है कैसे है. His Highness Savai Padmanabh Singh एक और बार हॉकी खेलते हुए घोड़े पे. Look at him, lovely ball control there by him. Ravinder Mang trying to make life miserable. No, that is Vishal Chauhan who's marking him. Colonel Vishal Chauhan now looking back, wants to take a backhander. Hits a cracking backhander to Ravinder Mang. Ravinder Mang wants to pitch it away. Does a sensible job there. Bhavani miscues it, and Ravinder Mang loses control to HH once again. HH leads out and takes a lovely approach up towards the goal. It is heading towards the goal. Will it go past or will it miss it by a whisker? It misses. Here it's an armchair comment because to execute such a difficult shot is extremely difficult. And there comes Sameer Suhag now. Sameer, white helmet, Sameer Suhag for Thunderbolt, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it right in front of the grandstand. Put your hands together. Sameer Suhag with an outstanding ball control. And just comes from behind. Cool as cucumber. He knows he has got the ball on him. He's got Sameer chasing him, leads out, takes a lovely pass. Who's there? So that is Bhavani there. Bhavani quickly gets into position. Bhavani knows he has to release first time. Bhavani overrides. Coming from behind is Vishal Chauhan. Vishal Chauhan, Mrityunjay. Between them, they're playing well as a well-knit team, and Sameer Suhag captaining them from behind. Sameer now, white helmet in possession of the ball. Grey horse, white helmet, Sameer Suhag. Look at him. He hasn't lost his agility. Age is just a number for Sameer Suhag. He picks it up nicely, bouncing ball, miscues it a little. Bhavani comes from behind. Bhavani, changing the face of the game is Bhavani. Pitched away nicely by Mrityunjay. Mrityunjay in attack now. Major Mrityunjay Singh. Ball pitched away very smartly by HH Savai Padmanabh Singh, and he has changed the face of the game. He has got an open field ahead of him. Vishal Chauhan knows he could be dangerous. Unfortunately, he doesn't get the shot he wanted. Neither does Bhavani. Bhavani wanted to take a whack 150 yards into the goal. He doesn't get the shot. Now he will. He's cooled down a little, shut down his horse completely, and look at him. Bhavani is a very, very solid horseman. He is an able rider, extremely tough. Ball in the melee right now. Picked away once again by Sawai Padmanabh Singh. Sawai Padmanabh Singh in attack. HH in attack. Look at him going. Help for the scores in the hat-trick, ladies and gentlemen. In the first round. Ball thrown in by Mr. Howard. Picked up nicely by Ravinder Mann. Ravinder Mann picks it up. Ravinder Mann, his teammates asking for a pass, wants to take a cut shot, doesn't quite get the shot he wanted. It's a difficult shot to execute. Sawai Padmanabh Singh picks up the ball. His Iris in attack once again. He's waiting for his forward to get into position. Look at Bhavani move up. Bhavani knows the moment he's in position, he'll get a pass, bouncing ball. Sawai Padmanabh Singh playing hockey on horseback. What phenomenal ball control there. Sameer Suhag comes in between the spoiler party. He takes the ball away, out of harm's way. The ball rolls over the back line and out of play. Good work there by Sawai Padmanabh Singh taking that penalty. It's a lovely lofted shot. The ball goes high and mighty. I'm waiting for the goal judge. Goal judge says no goal. The ball had the distance of right direction, maybe a little lacking. That's how it is not a goal, and it is Sameer Suhag now. Look at him gallop. Sameer Suhag on a lovely looking grey overrides. It's Bhavani Kavi, checks his pony. And we have the hooter, 30 seconds of play left. Bhavani in possession of the ball. Bhavani takes a backhander and calls for the umpires. Colonel Vishal Chauhan, he's an experienced player, very intelligent. Knew exactly what Bhavani was thinking and would attempt. Positioned himself intelligently and calls for the umpires. A goal. Sameer Suhag. Strike it away. Shot that shot, Sameer Suhag. Outstanding goal there by Sameer Suhag. He doesn't make those mistakes. What? Movie star, Sinister, Sameer Suhag. Ball in the belly, nicely picked up by Vishal Chauhan. Vishal waiting for his forwards to get into position. Ritinjay is trailing behind him. Ritinjay backing him up. Sameer Suhag ahead of him. And Ravinder Mann picks it up on the near side. Good work there by Ravinder. Ravinder Mann, good hand-eye coordination by Ravinder. Leans out and takes a cracker. Fantastic goal there by Ravinder Mann. He is up. Ball thrown in. Quick to get onto the ball once again is Vishal Chauhan. He's very quick in the throw-ins. Ravinder Mann ahead of him. Ritinjay backing him up. Sameer asks him to leave the ball for him. Right now, ball pitched away nicely by Lance Watson. Lance Watson promotes it. Look at Bhavani. Bhavani's ahead, but it is his Iris Sawai Padmanabh Singh. Sawai Padmanabh Singh has gone at an angle. He can take that under the next shot. Let's wait and watch Watson throw. What a cracker! What a cracker of a shot. Unfortunately, the forward's not there to capitalize. It is now Mirza Beg who's wanting to reach there and make the most of that ball. Ball still lying there. Nice under the next shot once again by a Thunderbolt player. It gets better, so that's why I'm calling upon each one of you to witness every match. Every match is phenomenal, and it is now Sameer Suhag in front of his own goal. Sameer Suhag now changing the face of the game, cracking backhander, taken by Sawai. Sameer Suhag taking that hit in. Nice long pass. None of his forwards there. Ravinder Mann is there, but he's being guarded by two of the Jaipur players. What a beautiful under the tail backhander there by Lance Watson. Lance Watson. The ball in a melee right now. Who's quick to get on to Ritinjay? Ritinjay pinches it away. Passes to Vishal Chauhan. Vishal picks it up. Vishal playing a good game. Ritinjay on the near side, riding hard into Beg. And it is Vishal Chauhan once again. Vishal on a lovely looking dark bay. He is in possession of the ball. Lovely pass there. Who's there to capitalize? Ravinder Mann is there. Nicely guarding. Lance Watson picks it up on the near side. Good work there by Ravinder Mann. Ravinder Mann can be dangerous if let loose, but Lance Watson is there to shut the back door for the Jaipur team. Lance Watson picks up the ball, brings it towards the sideboards. And he's got Ravinder Mann tailing him. Ravinder Mann, what a cracking backhander there by Ravinder. None of the forwards there, and it is Sawai Padmanabh Singh who clears the ball out of harm's way in style. Look at him asking his players to get into position. He knows exactly what play he's going to make, and he doesn't miss the ball for anything in the world. It's bouncing, it's not bouncing, it's along the ground. He takes a crack. Lovely pass to Bhavani. Unfortunately, Bhavani overrides. Beg comes from behind. Beg picks it up. Conventional polo always pays if you're following, making a train, and we have the umpire's whistle on the. Hit and taken by the Thunderbolt team, currently leading by 3.5 to 3, and it is Sameer Suhag. Sameer playing a good game today. Sameer Suhag passes on to Vishal Chauhan. Vishal takes a cracker. The ball has gone high in my. Decided Sawai Padmanabh Singh takes that spot from there, releases it first time. Sameer Suhag is there, so is Vishal Chauhan. Vishal Chauhan shuts down his horse completely, changing the face of the game. He had Sawai Padmanabh Singh in attack there, but he pitches away the ball once again. It's Vishal Chauhan now. Vishal Chauhan opening up his body. Vishal Chauhan now picks it up on the near side. Leaves it smartly for Mrityunjay, but Sawai Padmanabh Singh is smarter than that. He has picked up the ball and he's all by himself, ladies and gentlemen. All by himself. In attack is Sawai Padmanabh Singh. Look at his body opening up. Fantastic looking Archie. There he goes in a flat out gallop. Playing hockey on horseback. He's got Ravindra Mrityunjay there. Unfortunately, we've had a toss over trying Mrityunjay. He's always making that effort, that extra effort was onto the neck, and thereafter we've had a toss. Ambulance. ग्रैंड स्लैम में अभिनंदन और स्वागत करूंगा श्री वैभव गहलोत जी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका Padmanabh Singh taking that cracker intercepted nicely by Vishal Chauhan. Vishal is a quick player. He came in between and intercepted. It's seldom seen, and the ball had enough punch on it to travel very quickly. But a goal saved by Vishal Chauhan for Thunderbolt. Nice backhander there by Lance Watson, who's quick to get onto the ball. It is once again Thunderbolt in attack, but two of the Jaipur players there. Bhavani asking for a pass. Lance Watson taking his time. He changes the pace of the game. Now stalls. He's looking up. He's asking his players to move up. What a fantastic release there. What a lovely pass to His Highness Sawai Padmanabh Singh. He has picked up that ball and an unconventional shot under the belly. The goal judge has another story to tell. Not a goal. It is Thunderbolt now. Sameer Suhag. Look at that release. Outstanding shot there by Sameer Suhag. The ball travels all the way. Look at players guarding hard at each other. Guarding that goal. There are no goalkeepers in Golo, but here in Polo, and what a cracker of a shot there by Sameer Suhag. Once again scored. Gets his team into a phenomenal lead of 4.5 goals to 3. Ball thrown in. Quick to get onto the ball. Via backhanders, Mr. Mirzabek. Picked up nicely by Ravindra Maan. Sameer Suhag. Sameer Suhag. So he takes a whack at the goal. The goal just doesn't want to decide. I can't see now with Sameer Suhag. Let's wait and watch what's in store. Sameer releases, takes a tonka high and mighty. He continues his 100% strike rate via penalty of chucker number 2. Jason Dixon lines up the players, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them in flesh and blood, very close to you. The ball thrown in, quickly picked up by Vishal Chauhan, and Lance Watson is there. Lance Watson overrides. Quick to get onto the ball is Sameer Suhag. Sameer releases. What a beautiful pass to Mrityunjay. Mrityunjay is being ridden hard by Beg. Beg takes a cracking backhand as well. Good work there by Mohammad Beg. And it is Sawai Padmanabh Singh in attack now. Sawai Padmanabh Singh in attack. Sawai Padmanabh Singh bouncing ball. Miscues it. Who's behind him? Lance Watson. But before that is Ravindra Maan. Ravindra Maan takes a open backhander. Lovely pass. Lovely pass to Vishal Chauhan. But quicker than lightning was Sawai Padmanabh Singh. Reached there. Takes a lovely near side backhander. Once again, a backhander attempted by Kal. Vishal Chauhan ball going back and forth towards the scoreboard side, and it is now Sameer Suhag releases nicely to Ravindra Maan. No, Mrityunjay is there. Mrityunjay ridden hard by Bhavani Kalvi. Bhavani rides hard and takes a near side backhander. Who's quick to get onto the ball? Vishal Chauhan. Good anticipation there by Vishal. Vishal positions himself very intelligently. He understands the game only too well. And now it is Lance Watson, pitches the ball away, takes a beautiful pass to Sawai Padmanabh Singh. That, ladies and gentlemen, just watch this run. Sawai Padmanabh Singh on a flat gallop, takes a beautiful approach shot, gets center. What a phenomenal shot. He's got Vishal Chauhan tailing him, but cool as cucumber. Sawai Padmanabh overrides, and Vishal leans out and takes under the neck shot. He doesn't miss those ones. Vishal knew it could have been devastating in case he miscued it. Focused his eyes on it, saves the day once again for the Thunderbolt team, leading currently by 5.5 goals to 3. Sawai Padmanabh once again in attack. He wants to undo that little iffy thing that happened before. Look at him lean out and take a crack. What a fantastic goal! Outstanding goal there by Sawai Padmanabh Singh from the sideboards. He carried, he had a ball thrown in. Into the melee, quick to pick up the ball is Sawai Padmanabh Singh. What a beautiful backhander. Who's there to capitalize? Look at Lance Watson going ahead for the love of the ball. Lance Watson in attack, ladies and gentlemen. Lance Watson has taken a lovely approach shot. It is a little wayward. He needs to lean out and take that tap. Override. Sawai Padmanabh Singh comes from behind and takes a punch at the ball. He could cook it into smiles between themselves. A few goals here and there, no problem. Look at him. Meeting the ball mid-air. It's Samir Padmanabh Singh once again in attack. Look at him. What phenomenal ball control. Leans on and takes a whack and scores. The fifth goal comes in. In the melee right now. Ball picked up by Lance Watson. On the other side. Lovely pass to Samir Padmanabh Singh. Samir Padmanabh Singh leans out. Look at Vishal Chauhan. He knows he has to mark him. Otherwise, HS will go and score another goal. HS checks. Vishal still in possession of the ball. Vishal Chauhan, great ball control. His pony assists on that play. Wants to take a backhander and calls for the umpire's attention on that play. Both that there was an infringement and a spot is awarded in favour of the Thunderbolt team. Thunderbolt, Samir Suhag taps the ball. Look at Samir Padmanabh getting into position. Takes a beautiful backhander. Will it reach Bhavani? Not yet. The ball stays there and the much seasoned player Samir Suhag positions himself once again on top of the ball. He gets onto the ball. Samir Padmanabh not leaving him even for a second. He knows he has to pitch that ball away. He does that, not changing the pace of the game. It's Samir Padmanabh Singh. Look at him playing hockey on horseback on a lovely looking grey. Samir Padmanabh releases it. He's got Ravindra Mang ahead of him. The ball travelling towards the goal. Will it go past? Yes, it does! Gets his team into the lead once again, ladies and gentlemen.
I've asked everyone else. If I get up here.
And a spot is awarded for the Jaipur team. Look at it, Jaipur. It's Samir Padmanabh Singh waiting for his forwards to get into position. A lovely looking grey he's mounted on. Great horseman. He brings out the best in all the horses. Vishal Chauhan rides hard into him. Ritunjay overrides. Who's quick to get onto the ball? It's Samir Suhag. Samir also mounted on a grey. Samir. Look at that tap, mid-air, oh what a backhander by that was Bhavani. Bhavani takes a whack at the ball and Lance Watson has broken loose. Lance Watson, a dependable player, he knows he's got all the time in the world since his players are marking. And he comes in the second goal. Good work there by Bhavani. The ball, Coach Jaipur. Ladies and gentlemen, you had a cheer for your teams and thereafter you see the horses implode with propulsion. We have Lance Watson to allow Bhavani to take that shot. Bhavani takes a tap. Beautiful tap into the goal. Bhavani is also extremely experienced. He makes no mistakes. Umpire insists on a fair lineup. Players line up and Samir Suhag. Samir takes a risky shot. He knew Lance Watson was there to hook him. Samir is being now guarded by two players. Lance Watson gets ahead of him. Lance Watson takes a crack. Vishal Chauhan, intelligent positioning. Ravindra Mang overrides. Unfortunately hits the ball but doesn't quite get the shot he wanted, and it is now Vishal Chauhan. Vishal, good work there by Vishal. Vishal is on fire today, playing extremely well. Samir Padmanabh pitches the ball away from everybody, loses control. Who's quick to get onto the ball? Bhavani, and it is now once again Vishal Chauhan. Vishal. Ravindra Mang, nice backhander there by Lance Watson. It's Vishal once again. People asking for a pass from Vishal. Vishal takes a backhander. Who's quick to get on it? It's Samir Suhag. Samir Suhag, good work. 30 seconds of play left. No, 18 seconds of play left. And it is now Samir Suhag. He's towards the far end of the ground. He needs to take a whack very quickly. Samir releases the ball to the forwards. The ball traveling towards the goal. Will score! The back line and out of play. 1.5. Jaipur team in a commanding lead. There he comes for the fourth one. Samir lofts that ball, scores once again. His record continues in this game. Ball thrown in. In the melee right now, Samir Suhag releases that ball. Oh, a lovely pass to Ravindra Mang. Ravindra Mang very helpful there over the Jaipur goal. Ravindra Mang overrides and it's Lance Watson comes from behind. Lance Watson changing the pace of the game once again is Lance Watson. Lance Watson, look at him. He's cool as cucumber. He knows exactly what is to be done. Leans on and takes a cracker. What a lovely pass to Samir Padmanabh Singh. Who's quick to get onto the ball? It's Vishal Chauhan. Vishal knows if he leaves the ball once and Samir Padmanabh will go and score. Both the players battle it hard. Bhavani comes from behind, takes a whack and calls for the umpire's whistle of the play. In the ground, so it will be the umpire, Mr. Howard, throws in the ball. In the melee right now, quick to get on the ball is Vishal Chauhan. Vishal leans out, wants to take a near side backhander. Vishal still possession of the ball. Lance Watson making his life miserable there. Lovely release to Ravindra Mang. who intercepts. It's Savai Padmanabh Singh. Who else? He comes in between, spoils Thunderbolt's party once again, picks it up on the near side. Look at him playing hockey on horse back. Makes it look so easy. Very, very difficult to execute that play, but he makes it look very simple. Lance Watson gets onto the ball. Lance Watson releases the ball. Travelling all the way right around the grandstand is Bhavani Kalvi. Bhavani and Sameer Suhag override coming from behind is Vishal Chauhan. Vishal takes a tap. Vishal goes ahead. The tap gone a little further than he wanted, and it is once again Lance Watson. Lance Watson and Sameer Suhag. Sameer is leaning out to hook in. Lance Watson, look at him standing on his stirrups, taking the ball away from Sameer Suhag. Miscues the bouncing ball. Ravindra Mann picks it up. Great work. Good work there by Ravindra Mann. Loses control. Savai Padmanabh Singh pitches the ball away, and he's broken loose. Savai Padmanabh Singh in attack. His Highness Jaipur leans out, takes a conquer, overcooks it a little. The ball rolls over the single shot. I think overcooks a little. It happens in the heat of the moment. Sometimes the sweet spot of the mallet meets the ball and goes the distance that you want. The direction lacks a little. Ball towards the scoreboard, ladies and gentlemen. 8 is to 6.5 is the score. Savai Padmanabh Singh onto the ball, asking his forwards to move up. 4 minutes to play left. Releases the ball to Lance Watson. Before that is Baig. Lance Watson asks him to leave. No, Baig is in control. Baig picks up the ball. Baig with the ball. Playing good polo with a fantastic team. Is Mirza Muhammad Baig. Savai Padmanabh Singh comes from behind, picks up the ball. His Highness once again. Look at that shot. Doesn't get the angle he wanted. The ball. It is Sameer Suhag with the ball. Players are scattering all over the ground. Each player man-to-man marking. They know it is crucial. Ball hits the team captain. That was Sameer Suhag taking that hit. It struck His Highness Savai Padmanabh Singh. I hope he's alright. Taking that spotted for the Jaipur team. Releases the ball. Look at that ball travel all the distance. It has gone way beyond, but hasn't found the mark. The goal, 8 goals versus 6.5. Nice release there by Sameer. He played a stellar role as a back for the Thunderbolt team today. Bhavani pitches it away. Bhavani Kalvi in attack. Bhavani in attack, tapping towards the goal. He's got nobody in front of him. Bhavani's got all the time. Sameer Suhag knows it. That could be dangerous. Sameer comes from behind. Experience shows. But the ball rolls over and into the goal. 9th goal score. Ball thrown in. Quick to get onto the ball. There's Vishal Chauhan once again. Vishal raising his mallet. The umpire has blown, but we'll wait and watch. So no foul. Both the umpires have decided, and it will be a throw-in from facing the centre of the ground. Nice backhander. There by Lance Watson. Lance Watson is crucial with his backhanders. In Ahmedabad, he won the tournament with that backhander. And it is Bhavani in attack on the near side. Bhavani cracks. Once again, a brace by Bhavani. Matching him by speed. Loses control. Savai Padmanabh Singh backing him up. Picks up the ball. Mrityunjay is there, sticking to him like gum. It is now Savai Padmanabh Singh changing the pace of the game. He knows he has to come the longer distance. Takes a beautiful shot towards the goal. What a fantastic shot! Oh, it missed the goalpost by a whistle. Oh, lovely pass to Mrityunjay. Mrityunjay loses control. It is Lance Watson who picks it up. Lance Watson and Ravindra Mann battle hard for that ball. Quick to get onto the ball is Sameer. Sameer hooks. And Bhavani. Umpire's call play, and it is Sameer Suhag who comes. The moment he strikes, the clock will start moving. So he strikes, the ball travels high and mighty. What a lovely pass. Who's there to make the most of it? Vishal Chauhan and Lance Watson. Lance takes a backhander. Bhavani comes from behind. Bhavani in good form. This chucker. Bhavani opens up. He's on his favourite mount, it seems. Look at that pony opening up. Flat out gallop. Sameer Suhag is there. Bhavani comes from behind. Sameer goes for a backhander. Takes an effective backhander. And it is His Highness Savai Padmanabh Singh. Good anticipation by the player. He knew that the ball would go. Positioned himself smartly. And will come to the end of the inaugural match, ladies and gentlemen. Goals to 6.5. I'll request all the players of both the teams and the umpires to come for the prize distribution. Please do not leave the ground. It's an inaugural match, but we plan for a small prize distribution. So I request you to quickly leave your horses in the pony lines and come for the prize distribution in front.
बोलो। ये तो फोकस कर रहा है ना, बता रहा है फोकस किस जगह।
चलो नीचे, बहुत चलेंगे नीचे।
जा जा दोबारा स्टार्ट कर हैं? नहीं करी करूँ?
हेलो, हाँ अब जाएगी, अब तो ये जा रही है नीचे, नीचे जा।
I request players of both the teams to come for the presentation in front of the grandstand, please. Players of the Thunderbolt team, players of the Jaipur team. We planned a small presentation ceremony for you. I request you all and both the umpires to please come for the presentation ceremony.
हेलो,
कर रहे हैं प्रेजेंटेशन सेरेमनी का। धन्यवाद। सिपाही रविंद्र मांग, सिपाही रविंद्र मांग बहुत खूबसूरत खेल का प्रदर्शन किया। आपसे निवेदन है स्टैंड पे आइए। And I'll request our guests, Well Gaurav, to please ask our guests to Thank you so much. Our guests of honor, I request you to make the presentation for the runners-up team today. The Thunderbolt team playing at number 1. For the Thunderbolt team, Sipahi Ravindra Mang. Naik Ravindra Mang. बहुत बेहतरीन खेल का प्रदर्शन किया रविंद्र मांग ने। तेज रफ्तार के खिलाड़ी रविंद्र मांग, गोविंद सिंह जी डटासरा इन्हें प्रोत्साहित करते हुए। Lining up at number 2 for the Thunderbolt team, Major Mrityunjay Singh Chauhan. Laying the pivot, ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Chauhan. Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Chauhan had a stellar game today. बहुत शानदार खेल का प्रदर्शन किया. शुरू के 2 चक्कर तक जयपुर की टीम को रोक के रखा. बहुत काबिल खिलाड़ी हैं. बहुत अच्छा खेल का प्रदर्शन किया. टीकाराम जूली जी से इनाम लेते हुए कर्नल विशाल चौहान. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, the team captain and the stellar player, Mr. Sameer Suhag. Sameer Suhag played a superb game today. All penalties in making plays, being all over the place, and was able to stall the fancy Jaipur team for a very long time, almost 2.5 chakkars. Great play by Sameer Suhag, being awarded by Sri Tikaram Juliji, leader of the opposition. At the Rajasthan Assembly now, shaking hands with Govind Singh Dotasra, Ms. Malaika Arora, Digvijay Singh Ji. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the victorious team individual prizes, may I call upon Mr. Mirza Muhammad Beg. Mr. Mirza Muhammad Beg, this youngster, has great potential ahead of him. New member of the Jaipur team. Had a good game today. Victorious. Sri Vaibhav Gehlot ji presents him with a nice memento for being the victorious team. Lining up at 2 for the Jaipur team, ladies and gentlemen, Thakur Bhavani Singh Kalvi. Bhavani Kalvi, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. A stunning player, pumped in a hat-trick as well. Between public life and polo, 2 passions that he has, continues to enthrall us on the horseback. Receiving a token from Sri Vaibhav Gehlot ji. The pivot for the team, ladies and gentlemen, may I call upon Mr. Lance Watson. Mr. Lance Watson, a regular at the Jaipur team, proud favourite. He changes the direction of any game with his spectacular play. Lance Watson flies in from South Africa every year, loves to spend the winter in India, and India loves him. Thank you, Lance, for an outstanding game. Shaking hands with everybody. Getting that picture. He wants that picture. Yes. Lance, you're in August Company, and the August Company is in company of Lance Watson. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the team captain himself, His Highness Savai Padmanabh Singh Ji of Jaipur. He scored half a dozen goals in the first 2 chakkars, brought his team to the victory in the opening match of the Cognivira IT Solutions Polo Cup. Shaking hands with our celebrity guest, Ms. Malaika, and our guest of honors. Wishing them thank you so much. The Jaipur team, and now, ladies and gentlemen, may I call upon Mr. Kamlesh Sharma ji, the Managing Director and Chief Executive, to present token of appreciations to Govind Singh ji Dotasra. Thank you, Govind Singh जी. आप यहाँ पधारे, आपने सम्मान बनाया इस मैदान का और इस खेल का. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. टीकाराम जूली जी, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, श्री कमलेश जी शर्मा, उन्हें टोकन अप्रिसिएशन देते हुए कॉग्निविरा की तरफ से मैं कॉल अपॉन श्री वैभव गहलोत जी. श्री वैभव गहलोत जी,
हेलो जी भैया, आओ ना
बहुत बहुत
ऊपर.
धन्यवाद. कमलेश जी की तरफ से एक छोटा सा टोकन अप्रिसिएशन पोलो के लिए. पुष्पेंद्र जी भारद्वाज, thank you so much, Pushpendra ji from Cognivira. It's the MD presenting a token appreciation. Pavan Arora ji, the MD of First News. Pavan Arora ji is here. Thank you so much, Mr. Pavan Arora ji. And Pavan Godara ji. Pavan Godara ji, आपसे निवेदन है. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Malaika. Thank you, ma'am, for making it to the historic polo ground, and thank you so much for gracing this lovely ground with your august presence. Your presence here has indeed added a touch of class and glamour to this spectacular sport. Thank you so much for making it. I have forgotten the umpires, and I do not dare to do that. May I take the liberty to call upon Mr. Howard. Mr. Howard. Mr. Howard Smith, the umpire for the day. Colonel Gaurav, I'll request you to present a token to the umpire. to the umpire, Mr. Howards and Mr. Jason Dixon. Thank you so much, Mr. Jason Dixon and Mr. Howard. Apologies, I called your name in the last, but the true stars of the game come towards the end. Thank you so much for ensuring fair play and transparency and doing a thankless but yeoman service to the sport of polo. For that most memorable picture, which will go into the family albums, Cornevira Polo Cup, ladies and gentlemen, the inaugural match and lots of action in store for you. We call upon each one of you to come here for the semi-finals on the 31st of January, 3 p.m. and the finals on 1st of February, Sunday, 3 p.m. We'd love to have you all here. Come here, cheer up for your favorite players, your favorite teams and for the lovely horses. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का. Thank you so much.